はいどうもインタラクティブオートモーティブヒロです。どうも今日はねダーさんが遊びに来たんだよね。予約なしでなんか突然来てなんかねゴソゴソやりだしてるんだよね。たまたま今日空いてたからよかったけど。Hey ダーさん、 What do you do?
Air filter. Cabin air filter.
Cabin filter?
Cabin filter.
You can do?
I can now.
そんな感じでオイル交換とかもね今日ちょっとやりたいっていうことなんでダーさん一人でちょっとやってみようということで、素人がベンツをいじってみたっていうことでちょっとやっていきましょう。ダーさん取り付けに困ってる？ Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah, pretty easy.
Just 3 clips.
3 clips.
Yeah, 1, 2, and the side.
Side.
Yeah.
Side was the hard one to get back on, but it's not.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Then don't forget this cover.
Put that in. It just snaps in.
Yep.
Famous last words. Not like Legos.
Did it.
It's simple.
Yep. Okay. Next is the oil change. So here is the oil filter. Then here, oil cap.
To loosen that.
Yep. Then, okay, guys lift up. Then under seal remove. Then oil drain.
Right. We got loosen the filter, right? First.
First, later, either is okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, やっていこう。ダーさんオイルフィルターを外してます。You did. Have to clean up.
A little warm.
Okay, it's not bad. Yeah, it's okay.
Not bad. Here's the old one.
Yep,
Pretty nasty.
pretty nasty. Ooh.
Really too bad.
Okay, じゃあ次は下ドレイン抜こう。何してんの？
It's very hot, actually.
I know.
For
Oh,
a piece
you
of, for
clean
a
that.
piece of plastic, it's very hot.
You can use the parts cleaner.
It's okay. Just wipe it out.
No,
Should be good
okay.
enough.
No, okay.
No, okay.
Do it. OK、じゃあオイルフィルターも全部終わったんで今度下ドレン抜こうか。Yeah.
What he said.
Okay, next is the drain board. Have to remove.
Drain board.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
You gotta lift it up for that.
Yes, you can do it. Just push the green button. Oh, 恐る恐る確認してるね。Are you scared?
No,
That's good. Okay, Dasan.
Huh?
Be careful. The hood and the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can more up. Yeah, you can more. More. You can do. You can more. All right.
Good.
Yep, it's good.
Okay.
Then have to lock. Lock is this one just push.
Push it.
Yeah. All right. This one then even. Okay.
Looks
Then-
even.
Yep. Then drain board is this cover have to remove.
Another cover to remove.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's
Get
do.
busy.
Yep. カバーが外れました。ダーさんワクワクしてる。何じゃないよ。Maybe different tools is good.
No, I just don't need that.
Okay.
I just want to pour it in.
Maybe the black bucket. ダーさんオイル抜くぞ。Oh, this time is good. Last time Rambo. So many messed up. Oil everywhere.
Hot.
It's hot, yes. Wow, oil so
Pretty black.
yeah. Kind of 7.4 coat.
Wow.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Already tell you that's easy.
Maybe ratchet is broken.
Huh?
Ratchet is no good.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
13.
Try this one. Alright.
13.
Yep. Is it good?
Good.
Alright.
Yep.
Double check.
Double check.
Yeah.
Double check.
Double check だよ。Good. Yeah, it's good.
Good.
It's good. ダーさん、
Excellent.
できました。
Good. Glad.
ダーさん、
Yeah.
オイル入れよ
Ah.
う。Okay.
We need this thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we use
We need this thing, huh?
yeah 0W40.
0W40. It's the first time I've ever used 0W40. Seven?
7.4.
7.4.
Yeah. Kind of 6.5 install first, then little bit adjust. That is a never mistake.
Ah. Well,
So this jack is a kind of 6 coat. Yes.
so we'll do 6 and then 1, right? Get over. It's floating in there. There's something floating in there.
お菓子作りしてるみたい。
Huh? There's something floating in there.
Looks like making cake something.
Cake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Making a hero cake. You gotta lube him up.
OK、じゃあオイル入れていこう。こぼさないように慎重に。最初6コート入れて、その後、ゲージとか見て微調整していきたいと思います。いやー暑いよ。
It's not gurgling or anything.
Hmm?
It's not gurgling or anything.
ダーさんも汗だくなってるね。テキサス暑いよ。
Don't make fun of me. Why are you making fun of me?
Texas so hot.
It's very warm.
Yeah. Today's still okay.
Well, we had a little bit of rain that was coming, so that kind of cooled it off a little bit.
Right, but more
If
humid.
not, it'd be 109.
109.
Yeah,
Yep.
Middle East weather.
慎重すぎるな。いいことだけど、おっせえな、ダーさん。
What?
作業が遅え。
Am I doing it too slow for you guys?
OK。じゃあ、6コート、6コート、とりあえず入ったんで、6コートちょい入れたのか。じゃあ一回エンジンかけましょう。で、エンジンのノイズ等も変なノイズ出てません。 OK です。Kind of 2000 RPM. Keep it. Okay. Yeah, you can turn off. そしたらもう一回最後微調整してゲージが OK。 ゲージが8分目9分目であれば完璧だね。ダーさん、あとどれぐらいかかるかな。
I'm still skidding and it's too close.
オイル交換終わったね。
He's kicked. Snaps on.
いいね。じゃあ最後メーターをリセットしよ
Like Legos.
う。レゴ？Oh, it's a broke?
Snaps on.
Right.
That's
Okay.
it. Snaps holds on. That's it.
Yep. So next step is
That's it.
yeah. Woo! Still not finished. You know what's next?
Pull it out.
No. It's on the meter, the maintenance liquid is a have to delete.
Oh yeah, reset the computer so that.
Yeah, I will show you. Pretty easy. Steering button, then can reset.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. もうちょいだ。OK。ダーさん、これ、スタートボタン取れたね。
Yeah.
OK。そしたら、じゃあ、リセットをかけていこうか。So, OK. Step 1, you remove the start button. Can I see? Yep. And number 2 is a start the key. And one notch. Twist. Yep. Then hold on. Finish. Should close the door. Okay. Then this button push. Then have to this view.
Okay.
Okay. Then phone call button push. Then OK button. This one kind of half second airy push. Pum pum. That style. Okay, do it. Yep. Then this cursor button. This area. Then
System plus.
OK.
Yeah.
Then cursor button. Then full service choose.
Yep.
Then OK button. Then scroll down. Then full service.
Okay.
Then OK. Reset. OK. Then confirm. Yeah. Key remove. Okay. Then starting engine. Yeah, no more warning lamp.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Good.
Yep, you did it.
You did it. You showed me how to do it.
Pretty easy, right?
Pretty easy.
Just phone button and OK button. Little
That's it.
bit tricky,
Yeah. But if you didn't, I mean, once you know, you know.
right?
So, yeah, not bad.
Alright, that's it.
Cool.
You did it.
I did.
ダーさんできた。
Thank you.
そんな感じで終わりました。ダーさんベンツのメンテナンスもう完璧だね。You master mechanic.
Okay, what he said. Again, I refer to, yeah,
ってこと
whatever
に
he says.
ってことにしよう。まあじゃあ今日もこんな感じでバイバイ。
Bye-bye.
バイバイ。